Healthy habits for your healthy oral cavity. First, brushing or cleaning your mouth. So brush for 2 minutes for 2 times a day with fluoride toothpaste. Once before breakfast in the morning and another is before bedtime at night. Brushing in the morning removes plaque formed in the mouth, and brushing in the night helps to wash away the cavity that will be formed due to the drying up of saliva. Proper technique of brushing is very important. Always use soft toothbrushes for brushing and don't forget to brush your tongue. Always replace your toothbrush after every 3 to 4 months. Now let's talk about flossing. Flossing is an important step when it comes to cleaning your mouth, as it reaches the areas where brushing cannot be done. So floss in between tooth and remove food particles which get caught over there. Wash and rinse your mouth with water or mouthwash after every meal. Wipe your baby's gum with a damp washcloth after every meals. Next point is about dental checkups. Always have a dental checkup every 6 months for professional cleaning and oral examination, as then you can prevent the spread of bacteria and decay. Child's first visit to dentist should be by the age of 1 or when first tooth appears. Next is habits that needs to be developed. Eat a balanced diet. Always use sugar-free varieties of food products available in the market. Eat nuts, non-acidic fruits. Cheese such as aged cheddar, Swiss, mozzarella and Monterey Jack are great as a snack or to eat after a meal because they clear the mouth of food and neutralizes the acids that attack the teeth. Eat apples, celery, carrots, milk, yogurts, eggs, broccoli, green leafy vegetables and seeds. Drink plenty of water, especially if it contains fluoride, as it's calorie free and cavity fighting machine. Give milk or juice to your babies at meal times only, and during playtime or bedtimes fill their bottle or sippy cup with water. So that's all. Thank you for listening.